Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 2nd, 2025, and we're diving into Okta's third quarter fiscal year 2026 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Okta, a leader in identity management, has just released its Q3 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives in AI security.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Okta reported a total revenue of $742 million for Q3, marking a 12% increase year over year. Subscription revenue also saw an 11% rise. John, what does this tell us about Okta's market position?
These figures highlight Okta's strong foothold in the identity management sector. The consistent growth in subscription revenue indicates robust demand for their services, particularly with large enterprises. Their non-GAAP operating income of $178 million, which is 24% of total revenue, underscores their operational efficiency and ability to scale profitably.
And the non-GAAP net income per share came in at 82 cents, which is quite impressive. How does this compare to market expectations?
Indeed, the non-GAAP EPS of 82 cents significantly beats the forecasted EPS of 20 cents from 11 analysts. This performance reflects Okta's effective cost management and strategic investments in high-growth areas.
Cash flow and financial health. Moving on to cash flow, Okta reported an operating cash flow of $218 million and a free cash flow of $211 million. How does this impact their financial health, John?
These cash flow figures are quite strong, representing 29% and 28% of total revenue, respectively. This level of cash generation provides Okta with significant flexibility to invest in growth opportunities and manage its balance sheet effectively. Additionally, they settled $510 million of their 2025 notes, which strengthens their financial position by reducing debt.
With cash and equivalents at $2.463 billion, Okta seems well-positioned for future investments. Would you agree?
Absolutely. This liquidity allows Okta to continue innovating and expanding its product offerings, particularly in areas like AI security, which are crucial for future growth.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Okta's CEO, Todd McKinnon, mentioned the launch of Auth0 for AI agents. How does this fit into their strategic initiatives?
Okta is positioning itself as a key player in securing AI technologies. The launch of Auth0 for AI agents is a strategic move to capitalize on the growing demand for AI security solutions. This initiative aligns with their broader strategy to enhance their identity platform's capabilities.
Looking ahead, Okta has provided guidance for Q4 and the full fiscal year 2026. What are the key highlights?
For Q4, Okta expects revenue between $748 million and $750 million, reflecting a 10% year-over-year growth. For the full fiscal year 2026, they anticipate revenue between $2.906 billion and $2.908 billion, an 11% increase. This guidance indicates confidence in their growth trajectory and market demand.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of 20 for Okta. The actual non-GAAP EPS came in at 82 cents. What does this significant beat mean for Okta and its investors?
This substantial outperformance is a testament to Okta's strong operational execution and strategic focus. It not only boosts investor confidence, but also sets a positive tone for future earnings. The market is likely to respond favorably to such a robust earnings beat.
How do you think this will affect analyst sentiment going forward?
Analyst sentiment is likely to be very positive. Such a strong performance against expectations often leads to upward revisions in future earnings estimates and potentially higher price targets.
Key takeaways. In summary, Okta has delivered a strong performance in Q3 of fiscal year 2026, with impressive revenue growth and a significant EPS beat. Their strategic focus on AI security and robust cash flow position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Okta's results are indeed impressive. Their ability to exceed expectations and strategically invest in high-growth areas like AI security bodes well for their long-term prospects. Investors should keep an eye on how these initiatives unfold in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Okta's performance in the comments below.